Right, girls, so what project have we been doing?
The dinosaurs.
And which dinosaur have you chosen to write about?
The Tyrannosaurus.
Judy, could you tell me some facts about the Tyrannosaurus?
The Tyrannosaurus was one of the biggest meat and fierce carnivore.
What else?
And he weighed 8 tons.
What else?
And he lived 70 million years ago, and he had short arms.
What else do we know about the Tyrannosaurus?
His head was 5 feet long, and he was 12 or 13 meters of tall. The teeth was 12 centimeters.
What was?
The teeth were
The teeth?
12 centimeters.
12 centimetres.
Yes. And his head was 5 feet long, and he had 560 teeth. He had 50 or 60 teeth.
Teeth? Wow. Is there anything else you can tell me about the Tyrannosaurus? How long ago did the dinosaurs live?
70 million years ago.
Wow.